this lesson, we're going to take a look at the module integration. Now, Joomla modules allow you to place different items on different sections of your page. So let's take a look here at the extensions, and you want to go to modules. And then we're going to go to the front end of the Quix. So this is a blank canvas, and we're going to start with something fresh so you can see how the modules integration work. All right, so now let's say that you wanted to integrate this particular module, any module here. Okay, now I'm not going to go through extensive details of how the modules work, but every module has a position, and you can create different modules based on the different items that you want to put there. So let's go to the front end and let's click on add section. And I'm just going to choose, let's just choose 2. So you want to go to add new element. Now you're going to notice here that you have Joomla and you have Joomla modules. So what this is saying is that you can place any item that you see on here on the front end of your website. So if there's something that you see here that you want to put on, you certainly can. And modules have different positions that you can see. Sidebar 1. If you click on new, you can choose from the existing modules here to be able to place that anywhere on your website. So let's just click here, go to cancel. And we're going to select any one of these modules now. If the modules don't have anything there, nothing is going to show, of course, on the front end. But let's say you wanted to have this top one. The type is the menu, the search, the article latest. So these is just letting you know what content that is part of this particular module. And the pages is letting you know, is it on all the pages? Select the pages. Is it public? Now the access is important because you can restrict access to certain modules to certain groups of people. But right now, all of this here is just for public, which means that anyone in the public, even if they don't have an account on your website, they can do that. And then you have the language here. You can have multilingual site that you can have different modules, have different languages. And then there's the ID that you can be able to use. So let's go to the front end. When you select Joomla module, it's going to ask you select a module. When you click on the drop down, you're going to see all the existing modules that are published on your site. So I'm just going to go on here. You can pick and choose whatever module that you want. And I'm just going to scroll here and I'm just going to click on top 1. If this has something there, then it's going to show. If it doesn't have anything there, it won't show. So you choose this one. And then once you do that, you automatically notice now that whatever's in this module position is going to front end. Whatever's in this module position here, that is what is showing. This is the content that's showing. So you click on apply. Now, the benefits to having module positions being incorporated into your website is that you can be able to style things a little bit differently. So you can place things in different parts of your website that normally may not be there. But because this is the module positions, incorporate that, you can do that as well. So now let's add another item here. Let's go to Joomla module. And we are going to select, we can choose anything about us. Let's see if something is on that particular module. Okay, so you notice nothing shows up there. That means there's nothing there. And you can kind of go through again. If you want to place the same module on the same position, you can do that. So let's select this one here again. And you have this. You have to go through each module and see what you have on that particular module. So as I mentioned before, each module here have different content with it, and you can add as many content, whether it's a video, it's a link, whatever you have there, you can certainly do that here. So that's how simple module integrations work. And as we start to build a website, you're going to be able to see a little bit more examples of how to use this on your website.